You want some of Mama's Yum Yums? Take a cherry. Whoa. You put it back. You lost your cherry. What's the matter? You lost your cherry. Oh, you lost your cherry, but you got your whipped cream. You got your whipped cream, but you lost your cherry. Is it yum yum? You like your whipped cream? Huh? Is it yum yum? Yum yum? Now you can't put your toes up there. You goofy. You're eating all my whipped cream this morning. You like it? Is that good? Huh? Is that good, Charlie? You're getting all my whipped cream this morning. Every drop of it. You even lost my cherries. The rest is mine, bud. Was it good? Huh? Want yum yum? Well, ask for it. You want yum yum? Yum yum? Yum yum? You want yum yum? Yum yum? You want yum yum? You want yum yum? Mmm. You want yum yum? You have to ask. Have to ask. You want yum yum? You want it? Oh, boy. Oh, I love my coffee, but you like the whipped cream. You want some? Ask for it nice. You want yum yum? Yum yum? You want yum yum? Yum yum? Yum yum? Yum yum? Oh, boy. You want the whipped cream? You gotta ask yum yum. Ask for it nice. Yeah? Ask for it nice. You want yum yum? You want yum yum? Huh? Yum yum? Got a little more left. You want yum yum? Yum yum? Yum yum? Mmm. Yum yum? You want it? You want it? You want it? He say yum yum. Yum yum? Yum yum? Yum yum? It's almost gone. You better want it. You better ask for it if you want it. You want yum yum? You want it? You want it? You see? It's there. You want yum yum? You say yum yum? you gotta you gotta ask for it. You want it? You gotta ask for it. You gotta ask for it. You say yum yum? You didn't ask for it. And you lost my cherry. Yum yum, Charlie. Won't let me take it away. Goofball. I love you. You got yum yum? That's my first coffee and you've completely ruined it. And I didn't get any of my whipped cream this morning. I love you, sweetie. Give me my coffee back, you little brat. Yeah. Yum yum. Did you enjoy it? You enjoyed it? You enjoyed it? Huh? Yum yum? Yum yum? I love you.